We all know it's hard enough to keep your hands off your pocket money or piggy bank without wanting to break into it.
But 3 Year 12 and 13 students from Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Ngā Mokopuna have been learning there's more than one way to raise money and keep it coming in. Tonight is the launch of Taraika Tours, a business set up by students here. With help from the prize money won through Te Whaihua Kia Ora Sorted in Schools competition, they hope to get local businesses interested in taking their tours of the area.
Kia ora team. Tell us who we got here, man.
Kia ora, we are Tara.
Ika.
Heuri tēnei no Ngāti Pro, Ngāti Awa me Ngāti Kaungunu, ko rā kairo tuku ingoa.
Kia ora, ko Waimarama Tapia Te Pau tōku ingoa, he urio no Tarawa Waka, no Ngāti Pro, no Te Whanau Airi tuku rā no hoki.
Kia ora, heuri tēnei no Taranaki, no Ngā Pria no hoki, kore rihitai tōku ingoa.
So tell us about your company and the prize that you guys have just won.
The plan is to give tours of Seatoun, but we will be explaining it from a Māori perspective, giving the history of Kupe and other cultural information.
What's important is that we're the last students at this school that really know the Māori history of this area, so we're hoping to share it to others before we finish school. Otherwise we believe that the Māori history and stories of this area will slowly die down.
I tēnei pō, ka ua ki te tima I tō rātou kamupene ki tētahi whakāturanga toi e tautoko ana a te papa. Ko te kaupapa o te whakāturanga, ko te haerenga o Kupe e tēnei wāhi. Ko te tūmanako ka whakauru ngā manuhiri ki a tāpoi ai ki o rātou kura me o rātou mahi hoki. And what are you guys doing with your winnings?
Some of the money's going towards our art exhibition and the food and all that. And then the rest of it will go to like future stuff.
Awesome, so we're here with Whai Renee, who's the Level 3 NTA Business Studies teacher. So just share to us a little bit about what the kids have had to do to get to this point.
Oh, they've learnt a lot of hard lessons really quickly. I guess the first lesson has been that they're bilingual speakers, but Te Reo Māori is their first language. They're looking at getting some funding so that schools can come here at no cost, and because they've done quite a few pitches to corporations around Wellington, they've had to do it in English as well. So it's just building their confidence, talking in front of groups.
So moving forward, what are your goals?
Probably my main goal is to leave this for our younger ones and hope that they do the same when they grow up.
Thanks to Te Whaihua Kia Ora Sorted in Schools and Money Jam, the students of Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Ngā Mokopuna are well on their way to creating a pretty cool business.
That's right, and to all our young tamariki entrepreneurs, if you're wanting to go down the same path, hopefully you've learned a thing or two on how to kickstart a business.